some people think I'm a little strange.
Hey Jim, do you like a challenge? Team Evil challenges you. Do you like a challenge, Anvil? Are you with us? Are you with us against Team Evil?
Real big challenges, because I like a challenge.
Join us on the Sanity Machine. Join us.